Okay, we want to talk a little bit about average value. Okay? Now, if we look again at this region here, just using this as an example because it's handy, okay? You think the average value of this function here, according to this picture, on this region is more than a half or less than a half? Now remember, the average value is the value of z, right?
Yeah.
So z equals 1 is like this far above the xy plane, right? And z equals 1/2 is this far above, okay? Now on the average, is it more or less than this far above?
Maybe less.
Yeah, clearly less. 'Cause I think you have really good visualization skills. As showed up in your homework, okay? Yeah, 1/2 would be a plane like here, okay? There's only maybe this little bit of the function, above here exceeds a half, right? There's very little of the area here above which x squared y squared is going to be as big as 1/2, okay? So the average value is less than 1/2. I can say very little of the region is below z values that are greater than 1/2, right? And also the z values here, because of the flatness of this and the proximity of this curve to the x-axis, are really low, okay? So you don't get very big z values over most of this region. You get pretty small z values, right? So, I don't know, what do you think? You think the average value is more or less than 1/10? I'm going to stop the video here just because if you say something ridiculous, we don't want to, no, you're not going to.